Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. If your hips or knees feel tight, you can always sit on a towel or a folded blanket for extra lift. If you have essential oil, take a drop into your palm. Rub it in and gently bring your hands to your nose. Inhale slowly through the nose. Feel the scent guide you inward. Exhale with softness, letting your shoulders melt away from your ears. Let this be your reset. You can keep that towel nearby. We'll use it again for knee support later. Sit with your knees bent and feet flat on the mat, hip width apart. Hold the backs of your thighs gently. Inhale to lift your spine tall. Feel the crown of your head reaching toward the ceiling. Exhale and begin to roll back just halfway. Draw the belly button toward the spine, like a soft C curve. Pause here. Feel the deep scoop through your abdominals. Inhale to stay, then exhale to roll forward while maintaining the C curve. Try that again. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, curl back halfway. Let your shoulders stay relaxed, your gaze gently forward. Your thighs are there for support, but the work is happening deep in your core. Inhale, hold. Exhale, roll forward, engaging your abdominals as you return. Stay in your seated position. Knees bent, feet grounded. This time, reach both arms forward at shoulder height. Inhale, prepare. And as you exhale, begin to curl back halfway again. Now, open your both arms gently to the side, like opening a book, then bring it back to center. Inhale again, exhale, curl. This time, open arms. Stabilize your ribcage and hips. The pelvis stays anchored and steady. Let's go again. Inhale, tall. Exhale, curl back, open to the side. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, curl, open arms. You should feel your obliques softly working. Keep the shoulders easy, neck long. If you feel a gentle shake, that's your deep core waking up. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to control the return. Then slowly return to upright and release your arms. Come all the way down onto your back. Place your elbows gently on the mat beside you for support, palms pressing softly into the floor. Draw both knees up to tabletop, shins parallel to the ceiling. Feel your low back anchored, belly drawing gently away from your waistband. On your next exhale, slowly lower your right toes towards the floor, just a tap. Inhale to bring the leg back up. Then exhale, lower the left toes. Inhale to return. Keep alternating, right then left in a steady rhythm. The movement is small and quiet. Imagine a warm hand resting on your belly. Your goal is to keep it steady and undisturbed. Exhale as you lower. Inhale as you return. If your back starts to arch, make the tab smaller and then gently bring both feet down for a short pause. Stay on your back and keep both knees bent, feet lifted into tabletop again. Bring your inner knees and ankles together. Feel that gentle connection through your inner thighs. Your arms can rest wide in a T shape for support, palms facing down. On your inhale, let both knees drift slowly to the right, just enough to feel a stretch through your waistline. Exhale to draw the belly in and return the knees to center. Then inhale, knees to the left. Exhale, return to center. Keep going side to side. This is not a twist from your shoulders. Keep them heavy on the mat. The rotation is soft and fluid, coming from your waist and ribs. You can imagine your spine moving like a ribbon, spiraling gently, then returning. Gently lower your feet down. We'll change positions and move into a kneeling lunge. Come up into a kneeling lunge, left foot forward, right knee on the mat. If you need, place a towel under the back knee for comfort. Hips square, spine lifted, lightly zip the belly in and up. Bring both arms forward, parallel to the floor. Take an inhale to feel tall. Exhale, sweep your arms back like you're drawing a wide circle behind you. Inhale, circle the arms back to the front. As you move, keep the spine long. You're not leaning forward or back, just growing up and open. Let the arms feel fluid, like wings in slow motion. Feel the stretch through the front of your right hip and thigh. That's your hip flexor lengthening as you maintain control. On the exhale, imagine drawing shoulder blades gently down the back. Let your breath guide the rhythm. Inhale, reach. Exhale, circle. This is more than a stretch. It's an invitation to move with grace. We'll stay in this lunge and add a gentle spine twist next. Stay in your kneeling lunge. Bring your arms up in front of your chest, elbows soft, palms facing each other, like you're holding a big beach ball. This is your hug a tree position. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, rotate your torso towards your front leg, to the left. Hold for a moment. Feel that gentle twist through your spine. Then inhale, return to center. Let's build a 3-count rhythm now. Exhale, twist 1, 2, 3, like a slow spiral. Inhale, come back through center. You're not forcing range. You're inviting your ribs and upper spine to rotate. Keep the hips stable and square. It's not about the hips moving, it's the ribs turning. You might feel your obliques working gently to control the rotation. And your back leg, stay grounded through the shin. Let's stay here and shift into a stretch for your hip flexor and chest. From your lunge, bring both hands to your front side. Inhale to lengthen through the crown of your head. And as you exhale, gently press the hips forward, feeling a stretch at the front of your right hip. If the back knee feels uncomfortable, make sure that towel is underneath for support. Keep your gaze forward or slightly up. You should feel a gentle length through your hip flexor and the front of your body. And when you're ready, we'll change to the other side. Start with the arms down by your hips. On your inhale, sweep your arms forward and up, reaching parallel to each other. Exhale, circle them wide and back, like you're painting the air behind you. Let the motion feel continuous, smooth, and open. As your arms float, anchor the movement with your breath. Inhale to rise and expand. Exhale to soften and return. Notice your front side working to support you. Your back hip gently opening as you press into the stretch. You're not just lifting arms, you're lifting energy. If your knee needs extra comfort, feel free to place that towel under the back leg. Keep the movement flowing. Inhale to sweep forward and lift. Exhale to circle wide and land. Let it feel expressive, like a moving meditation. And we'll stay here for one more full breath cycle before adding the twist. Stay in your kneeling lunge, right foot still forward. Now flow your arms up into a hug a tree position. Elbows soft, hands in front of your chest. Inhale to lift through the crown of your head. Exhale, rotate your upper body to the right slowly, like you're wringing out tension from your spine. Pause at your in range and give it a gentle pulse. Twist deeper for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Then inhale, return to center with control. Let's go again. Exhale to rotate. Feel your obliques guide the twist. Pause for 3 and inhale to come back. Keep your hips square and steady. This is about the thoracic spine, not the pelvis. Feel the breath massage your mid-back from within. Let's finish one more slow twist and gentle pulse. Then we'll move into your final stretch. Stay in your kneeling lunge. Let your hands rest gently on your front thigh. Inhale to lift through the crown of your head. Exhale, gently shift your weight forward, opening the front of your left hip. Now interlace your fingers behind your back. Roll your shoulders open and lift your chest. Let the front of your body expand like sunlight, breaking through clouds. With each breath, feel space across your collarbones and a lengthening sensation down your left side. Take a breath in. If your body feels better now, go ahead and like this video. It tells me to keep making more for you.